I'm Rob Moody and we're at the Matrox booth at ISE 2018, and all around us IP is everywhere in the form of AV over IP. And one of the things you have to do is to cope with all those streams. When they get to the other end, you've got to turn them back into video to look at them, and that needs some product to do it. Now what we've produced is a number of cards. Most people know Matrox for cards, and this is an integrated decoder device. If I move it round so you can see the edge there's a network import jack, and there's some outputs. Each one of those outputs is a 4K output. But it's not a PC card. Yes, it's got a PCIe connector on it, but it's OS independent. It doesn't need an OS. It's not a graphics card. It doesn't have drivers. And as a standalone item, that means it could be put into a box and commercialized as a simple decoder. And a number of folks have done exactly that. And if we look now at what's next to it, with this blue box here, is exactly that. It's one of these cards in a system, and it's sold as a standalone streaming decoder. As you can see, there's a power line, so power goes in, there's a network connector, and there's four graphical outputs, as I said, each of them 4K. So this gives us a very powerful device that can cope not just with one stream coming in, but multiple streams coming in, maybe 16 full HD streams all at the same time, or a couple of 4K streams coming in all at the same time. And this is a very high quality decoder. If you look at the images that we're decoding there, and those are some streams, there's some very fine detail in those streams that are being decoded, and even though it's small, it's very legible, and that's down to the quality of the decoding that we do in the Matrox IPX cards, and in this particular box, the Nevo from ECA, also other manufacturers doing the same thing. But exciting times for AV over IP, and exciting new products coming out. I'm Rob Moody. This has been Matrox, and we've been talking about the IPX output card.